Want to record your iPhone screen with external sound?
Open settings. Scroll down.
Follow these simple steps. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open the control center. Now look for the screen record button. If you don't see it there, at the top left, tap the plus icon. Then, tap on Add a Control option in the bottom. From here, search for Screen Record. Then tap on the screen recording icon. Next, tap and hold the screen recording button. At the bottom, you'll see a microphone icon, which is currently off. Tap on it to turn the microphone on. Once it is on, tap the screen record icon to start recording. You'll see a 3-second countdown in the camera island, and your iPhone is now recording both the screen and sound. When you're done, tap the red icon in the status bar, and then tap the stop button to stop screen recording. Recordings will automatically be saved in the Photos app.
Open settings. Scroll down. Go to general.
And that's it.
Click on
Follow and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.